Welcome to the channel. Today we're reviewing the 5 best winter car accessories, 2026, chosen for their practicality, comfort, and safety. Winter driving brings challenges like icy windshields, freezing interiors, and unexpected emergencies, so having the right gear is essential. These accessories include heavy-duty snow brushes, windshield covers, emergency blankets, heated car blankets, and rechargeable hand warmers. Each product is designed to make cold weather driving more manageable, keeping you warm, prepared, and protected. Whether you're commuting daily or heading out on long trips, this lineup ensures your vehicle is equipped for winter's toughest conditions. Let's explore the top 5 accessories that combine durability, convenience, and comfort. Number 1. Astro AI 27-inch Snow Brush and Ice Scraper. The Astro AI 27-inch Snow Brush and Ice Scraper is a top-rated winter tool, earning 4.6 stars from over 31,000 users. Built with heavy-duty ABS and PVC materials, it's designed to withstand tough winter conditions. The detachable scraper and ergonomic foam grip make clearing ice and snow from windshields, cars, trucks, and SUVs easy and comfortable. Its long reach ensures efficient cleaning without straining, while the durable bristles handle heavy snow. Compact enough to store in your vehicle, this tool is praised for reliability and convenience. Astro AI delivers a dependable solution for drivers who need quick, effective ice removal during winter commutes. Number 2. EcoNor Windshield Cover for Ice and Snow. The EcoNor Windshield Cover for Ice and Snow is a practical accessory, rated 4.6 stars by over 11,000 users. Made from heavy-duty 600D Oxford fabric, it protects windshields from frost, ice, and sleet. Measuring 69 inches by 42 inches, it offers universal fit for cars, SUVs, and trucks. Anti-theft straps keep the cover secure, while its durable design ensures long-lasting use. Easy to install and remove, it saves time on cold mornings by preventing ice buildup. Compact and foldable, it's convenient to store when not in use. EcoNor's windshield cover is a reliable solution for drivers who want hassle-free protection against winter weather. Number 3. Mark Cobra Emergency Blanket 4-Pack. The Mark Cobra Emergency Blanket 4-Pack is an essential safety accessory for winter driving. Made from reusable mylar material, these thermal blankets retain body heat, providing warmth in emergencies. Compact and lightweight, they fit easily into glove compartments or emergency kits. Ideal for camping, hunting, or roadside preparedness, they offer protection against cold weather and wind. Durable and versatile, they can also be used for first aid, survival situations, or outdoor activities. Affordable and practical, this 4-pack ensures peace of mind during winter travel. Mark Cobra's emergency blankets are a smart addition to any vehicle, offering reliable warmth when needed most. Number 4. Stalwart Heated 12-Volt Electric Blanket. The Stalwart Heated 12-Volt Electric Blanket is a portable comfort accessory, rated 4.2 stars by over 22,000 users. Designed for cars, trucks, SUVs, and RVs, it plugs directly into a 12-volt outlet, providing warmth during long winter drives. The black plaid design adds style, while the soft fabric ensures comfort. Lightweight and foldable, it's easy to store when not in use. Ideal for camping, travel, or emergency situations, this blanket delivers consistent heat to keep passengers cozy. Stalwart's heated blanket is praised for convenience and reliability, making it a practical choice for drivers who want portable warmth on cold journeys. Number 5. Pompongo Rechargeable Hand Warmers 2-Pack. The Pompongo Rechargeable Hand Warmers are compact yet powerful, rated 4.7 stars by over 2,000 users. Featuring 6,000 mAh batteries, they provide up to 20 hours of heating, making them ideal for long trips. Portable and pocket-sized, they deliver warmth on demand, keeping hands comfortable in freezing conditions. Rechargeable and eco-friendly, they eliminate the need for disposable warmers. Stylish and practical, they're perfect for commuting, camping, or outdoor activities. With dual units included, they offer convenience and flexibility. Pompongo's hand warmers are praised for durability and performance, making them a reliable accessory for drivers seeking portable heat during winter. That wraps up our list of the 5 best winter car accessories, 2026. From snow brushes and windshield covers to emergency blankets, heated car blankets, and rechargeable hand warmers, each product offers unique strengths to keep you safe and comfortable. Check the description for updated prices and details. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and drive safely this winter.
I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.